So why Clickbank gurus are lying to you? Now I know this sounds a little bit overhyped, right? The headline of this video. But in this video I'm going to give you exactly the info that you need to take, let's say, personal responsibility to start having results with digital marketing, or let's say affiliate marketing in this case, right? In this video we are going to talk about affiliate marketing and why Clickbank gurus are lying to you. Now, why I'm saying they are lying to you, right? It might sound really harsh, but let me explain to you what I mean by saying they're lying to you. You see, most of people are always telling you go straight for the sale, right? We are in the direct response marketing, so it means we are going for the direct response. And what is this direct response? It means getting the sale, getting the immediate instant conversion, right? Getting the sale after placing the ad on your Facebook, Google, or ad, right? And nothing wrong with that, but it becomes the problem for the people, especially you watching this video, as you're a newbie, right? And you want to make consistent, long-term, profitable, serious online business. You see, you have no means and ways to capture the customer or the visitor to your website or blog. Let me give you a simple example. If you are promoting Clickbank product, right, you are going straight for the sale. Now let's say out of 100 visitors, only one buys. It means that you have wasted 99 people. 99 people went away. You cannot get the access to them anymore. So what if instead of that you capture the lead? You capture the email address. You did the email marketing the correct way. In that case, you would get the option or the better opportunity to sell to them over the next month or 2 weeks, right? Or a week. In some cases, a matter of days. So it really matters if you are smart enough to capture the leads. And the leads are people who came to your ad, they click on your ad, right? Because they were initially interested to know more about what you're offering to them, what you're selling, what you're promoting, what is the value at the end of the day for them, right? As a consumer, as a customer. So if you do that correct way, and I'm always showing my students this way, my clients, to capture the lead first. Capture the lead first, get their email address, and then we have a specific way to deliver, let's say, the interest rate, the click-through rate to be much more higher through email marketing, right? So once you're doing the email marketing system, and once you have people who are consistently opening your emails, they're getting the relationship, they're getting the value from you. Of course, you can even promote higher ticket solutions to them, right? Like $3,000 to $5,000 packages. So it's really important to understand this thing. If you want to get results long term with online marketing, with affiliate marketing or working from home systems, you have to understand, you have to capture the lead, you have to think short term, but also long term, right? Over the months or years, because that way you can make sure you can make consistent income month after month, right? $5,000 or $25,000 per month promoting similar or same products month after month, year after year. So this is how it works, right? Basically capturing the interest, capturing the email address of the visitor to your page or blog or landing page, right? And then promoting to them. You can go straight for the sale, it doesn't matter, right? I don't care what you're doing, but you should capture the attention, capture the email address, and then promote them over months or weeks, right? So they can get more value from you and build trust and also buy products. So we have this in our system. We have our coaching or mentorship program when we show exactly how it's done together with you, done for you, one-on-one, personally, step by step. We do it together. And as you set up the campaign, we also look after your show to see that you did it correctly. So if you're watching this video right now, and if you want to get the results personally, one-on-one, then click the links below this video, reach out to me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get more helpful tips like this and start generating real, serious money and results with affiliate marketing.